video on something I'm faffing around with. So I'm faffing around with something, so I might as well make a video. Okay. So I want to do like a I had an idea about pease pudding, which is like a northeast dish in the UK, where it's cooked split yellow peas, and I wanted to have another go at it. But I haven't got any yellow split peas. I've only got green lentils. So we're going to use green lentils, about 400 grams, and then I've got some ham stock, which you really shouldn't cook in ham stock because there's salt in the ham stock, and it will affect the it'll toughen up the peas up. So, but I'm not really bothered. I'll just cook them for a bit longer. So I've got a litre. I'll start the cooking process off in half a litre, and then and there's some nice bit of fat in there as well. So we'll put in half a litre and we'll see if it cooks, and then we'll add a bit more liquid, and we'll make it into a pease pudding that way. No salt, no pepper, no other seasonings, just that half a litre of ham stock. Maybe a bit more, maybe 3/4 of a litre. Yeah, about 3/4 of a litre that. So we'll cook it, some will evaporate off, the lentils will soak up the rest, and then we'll turn it into kind of like a bit of hummus. I'm not going to season, and then I'm going to season it, and we're going to use lard instead of butter, which I think I seasoned it with butter last time. So I made it like a hummus. So hummus would be, well, no, it's not, because the hummus is like olive oil, but I'm going to use lard instead of the olive oil. So, and because of the texture of the lard as well, it might be kind of falling with the texture of the tahini. But anyway, I've got some lentils. I just want to have a faff around, so that's what we're going to do. So, up to the boil, slow simmer until they're tender. If they take longer than they should, we'll see. So, before it's even really boiled, there's a plumped up. So let's get all that ham stock, and there's some lard on top of the ham stock as well, so we'll just make sure that goes in as well. Yeah, most of that's gone, that's fine. So that's a litre for 400 grams. So turn it down a little bit. Don't want to boil over, that's that. Don't think that should be in there. That doesn't look like a lentil at all. There, so lid on, slow simmer, and we'll see how long they take. So, cooked. It didn't take that long actually. Let's see if the held the puree down well. I have cooked off some onion, so it's about 250 grams worth of onions, about 225 grams once they're peeled, and I've cooked them in 50 grams worth of lard. So I need to remember that we've put 50 grams worth of lard in there. So let's puree this with the stick blender and see what happens. And then we'll add a bit more. I don't think it'll need any more salt, but we'll put some more lard in, I think. As you can see, most of the liquid was evaporated and cooked into the lentils, so there wasn't much liquid left anyway. So I don't think we'll need to add any more liquid, because there'll be enough liquid in the lentils already, and in the onions, and the bit of fat that we're going to put in it. We should put some pepper in. And then I'm going to serve it on toast with a couple of poached eggs. I think that'll be nice. Quick taste, and then I think it'll be time to put some more fat in it. That's really nice. That's really nice. So I'm going to get a bit of this fat. and it's got some jelly in it. I just wonder what she was cooking. She's only cooked some kind of pork joint, and it's got jelly in it. It's layers of jelly and it's got layers of fat. So goodness only knows. So what have we got? Yeah, that's definitely pork fat. So that's okay. It's nice and soft. So this will be about another 25 grams, I reckon. I think it's going to need 50 grams, I think. So we'll see what else we've got around the house. I've got some chicken fat. I don't really want to use that. I've got some pastry lard. I think we'll use that. There we go. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Put that bit aside. Another spoon to avoid a bit of cross-contamination. That's about 50 grams in total of all that fat. Just get around the outside of that with a spatula. I did have a spatula. I did. I washed it. I used it for something already. Throw it away. Interesting. No, it's there. So just go around the outside. I mean, it's not the best colour. It would have been better if it was split yellow peas. But the right consistency, and then I'll have it as hummus for the rest of the week, I think. Right, let's put a couple of eggs into poach while I'm not doing anything. I'm not bothered about them forming particularly nice eggs. I just want them poached. Do you know, there's something just quite wrong with these eggs. It's just something just not quite right. They're nice, but they just don't want to form a decent poached egg for whatever reason. Second time it's happened. Not to worry. Not to worry. That's delicious. So you kind of think peas pudding is a really cheap, nutritious dish, and to put butter in it makes it more expensive. So if you've got something like lard, I'm sure they would have, and it kind of works with the ham stock as well, that you're cooking it in ham stock. So it kind of works that way, doesn't it? I don't know how my family in the North East will think about it. But they're only related through marriage. So that's delicious, is that? It's like posh hummus. Well, not posh hummus. North East hummus. Although one of my friends said it's like the same from a Dhal pease pudding. Eggs are alright. Drain off the water. Yeah, poaching eggs. There's lots of varying degrees. I just kind of touch them. If they feel like they're okay to touch. See, that one's okay. The other one was just a little bit soft when I touched it, so it just needed 30 seconds more. So that one there. This sugar ready now. So it's fine now. Poached egg is kind of quite forgiving anyway. So, neaten that off. Looks like a ghost. Up there, and there we go. Take a picture. That's going to be my delicious tea. I'm going to really enjoy that. Well, tea, dinner. Yeah, you know. Yeah, but works, and would be better with split yellow peas, but I know that kind of works. So next time I make some peas pudding, I can use split yellow peas instead.